How to get your Roblox ID on your mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get your Roblox ID on your mobile. So if you go to your Roblox app, you won't find your Roblox ID anywhere on the mobile app itself. So as you can see, it will only show you your username and it won't really show you your user ID, which is a number. So in order to view your Roblox ID, what you have to do is go to your browser and then go to roblox.com. Now you'll have to log in to your Roblox account on your browser itself and not on the app, so log in to your Roblox account. Now once you've logged in to your Roblox account on your browser, in order to view your user ID, tap on your profile icon which is on the top side of the screen, and now tap right over here. After that, simply tap on this pencil icon right over here. So now as you can see, the number which is showing right over here is your Roblox user ID. So that is how you find or view your Roblox ID on your mobile device. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.